Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Asus model supports per key or zone RGB and that Armory Crate is installed. This app controls lighting. Open Armory Crate and sign in if prompted. Once done, make sure your keyboard is detected under Devices. If Windows asks for permissions, allow them. Armory Crate needs access to change firmware level lighting. Next, switch to a high-performance power plan so lighting changes apply consistently and won't be restricted by power saving. Now you'll choose a lighting profile. Navigate to Keyboard, then Lighting, and pick a preset like Static, Breathing, or Aura Creator for advanced mapping. Use Zone or Per Key selection to set colors, drag or click to paint keys, and use sliders for brightness and speed. For complex effects, open Aura Creator to layer animations and trigger conditions. Keep an eye on Preview Playback. It shows how the keyboard will behave. Save profiles with clear names so you can recall them quickly. Finally, apply your profile and save it to the keyboard's onboard memory if that option exists so colors persist after reboot. If you want matching lighting on other Asus peripherals, enable Aura Sync and select the same profile for each device. Make sure Armory Crate is running at startup so the profile loads automatically. If the keyboard doesn't respond, try reinstalling Intel/Asus drivers, update firmware in Armory Crate, or restart the service. That single reinstall fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.